Well, it wouldn't be tournament time without a snowstorm.
WCCO's Adam Duxter shows us how the capital city had to brave the ice before hockey players could hit it.
For Noel Bendixson,
I was hoping. I was crossing all my fingers, so.
This,
oh no, this is way worse than I thought it was going to be.
feels like a bad dream.
I thought it was just going to be like a 2-3 inch dusting, and the snow is heavy. And so, yeah, it was way more than I was expecting.
Instead of taking a walk this March morning,
Oh, it's wet underneath, so that makes it extra heavy.
he's shoveling one.
Yeah, it's a workout today, for sure.
But the story Wednesday, not the ice,
We're pulling up to the X, right? We're gonna win.
but who's playing on it. Thousands braving the storm for a trip to the X. Hockey games in hockey weather.
Awesome. I love it. You know, the last couple of years at this tournament, we kind of got the easy road, but now this is Minnesota. We're Minnesotans. This is what it should be for the state tournament.
Regardless of how long you've had your license.
4 days, sir.
Let's go.
It's cooking, and you know, I'm more of a drive slow in the snow kind of guy. It's a little scary in the back there.
I got in the car and said my little Jesus, Mary, and Joseph prayer, and then away to go.
The real prayer is this won't last long.
Oh, it's Minnesota. You know, we can't be too surprised. You know, it's still early March, and I think we knew it was going to happen eventually, so.
Adam Duxter, WCCO News.